Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I will answer a question many car audio enthusiasts ask. How many subwoofers do I need in my car? Let's break it down. First off, it's essential to understand that the number of subwoofers isn't a one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on several factors, including your personal preferences, the space in your vehicle, and your desired audio quality. Let's start with space considerations. Subwoofers come in various sizes, with the most common ones ranging from 8-inch to 15-inch models. Larger subwoofers generally produce deeper bass but require more space. If you have a compact car, a single, well-designed subwoofer might be sufficient and save space. Conversely, larger vehicles like SUVs can accommodate multiple subwoofers, enhancing the bass experience. Next, think about your audio goals. Are you aiming for a balanced sound for daily commutes, or are you looking to compete in sound competitions? For everyday listening, a single high-quality subwoofer can provide ample bass. However, if you're chasing those window-rattling lows for competitions, multiple subwoofers might be the way to go. Another crucial aspect is sound quality and distribution. Multiple subwoofers can help distribute bass more evenly throughout the vehicle, reducing dead spots where bass might be lacking. Additionally, using two subwoofers allows each to work less strenuously, potentially reducing distortion and enhancing overall sound clarity. However, more subwoofers mean more power consumption and space usage. It's vital to ensure your car's electrical system can handle the additional load and that you're not sacrificing essential space. In summary, the ideal number of subwoofers for your car hinges on balancing your space constraints, audio aspirations, and budget. Consulting with a car audio professional can provide personalized insights tailored to your vehicle and preferences. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car audio tips and tricks. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.